pay the hackers or your system stays blocked. Recent years have seen a ransomware epidemic, with an organisation attacked every 11 seconds, part of a growing cybercrime threat.
There is actually, let's say, threats that are politically motivated. There are threats that are motivated by people, let's say, bad actors, and they are in there for the money, let's say. And there's also the threats, and they are closely related to each other, that involve, let's say, misinformation campaigns.
As lives become ever more digital, cybersecurity risks have multiplied, endangering our privacy and bank balances, power and water supplies, hospital operations, even national security. Cyber attacks are increasingly used by hostile powers against democratic institutions. Parliament is determined to ensure EU citizens, businesses and governments are better protected.
This piece of legislation is the biggest renovation Europe has ever seen. We will see lots and lots of cooperation between law enforcement, between cybersecurity companies, making sure we have an ecosystem, not just to passively watch how we're being attacked, but to actively stop attacks from occurring.
MEPs have signed off on tough, harmonised rules obliging authorities and companies to boost network security and improve the integrity of the internet. Covering banks and key public services, the measures will also extend to sectors like food, medicine and waste management. A common level of cybersecurity in the EU is crucial for a functioning internal market and peace of mind.